Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a treat for you. We'll be sharing the recipe for an iconic Indian dish, mutton biryani. Get ready to indulge in the aromatic flavors and mouth-watering taste of this classic recipe. So, let's dive right in. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our mutton biryani. 2 cups of basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes. 500 grams of mutton, preferably with bones. 1 cup of plain yogurt. 2 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 4 green chilies, slit. Handful of fresh mint leaves. Handful of fresh coriander leaves. Whole spices, cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, cloves, bay leaves. Ghee or clarified butter for cooking. Saffron strands soaked in warm milk for garnish. Salt to taste. Spices for marinade: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Biryani masala powder, available in stores or homemade. Starts preparing the mutton biryani. Step 1. Marinating the mutton. In a large mixing bowl, combine the mutton pieces with yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt. Mix well, ensuring that the mutton is coated evenly. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour, or overnight in the refrigerator for enhanced flavors. Marinating the mutton. Step 2. Cooking the rice. In a pot of boiling water, add whole spices such as cinnamon sticks, cardamom pods, cloves, and bay leaves. Season the water with salt. Drain the soaked basmati rice and add it to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it is 70 to 80% done. We want the rice to be slightly undercooked, as it will continue to cook while layering and steaming. Cooking the rice. Step 3. Sautéing the onions. In a separate pan, heat ghee or clarified butter. Add thinly sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown and caramelized. Remove half of the onions and set them aside for garnishing later. Step 4. Cooking the mutton. In the same pan, add the marinated mutton along with the marinade. Cook the mutton on medium heat until it is tender and the spices are well blended. You can add a little water if needed. Once cooked, add the chopped tomatoes, slit green chilies, and a handful of fresh mint and coriander leaves. Mix well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Step 5. Layering the biryani. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or a biryani handi, start by spreading a layer of partially cooked rice at the bottom. Next, add a layer of cooked mutton, spreading it evenly. Repeat the layers until all the rice and mutton are used up. Finally, sprinkle the caramelized onions that we set aside earlier on top. Step 6. Dum cooking. To achieve that authentic biryani flavor, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid or seal it with aluminum foil. Place the pot on a low flame and let it cook on dum for about 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking method allows the flavors to meld together and infuse into the rice and mutton. Covering the pot and letting it cook on dum. Step 7. Garnishing and serving. Once the biryani is cooked, remove the lid and drizzle saffron-infused milk on top. Garnish with some fresh mint and coriander leaves. Your aromatic and flavorful mutton biryani is ready to be served. Serve this delightful mutton biryani with raita, salad, or your favorite side dishes. It's perfect for special occasions, family gatherings, or when you crave a satisfying meal. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. That's all for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this mutton biryani tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Share it with your friends and family so they can enjoy this culinary delight too. Until next time, happy cooking! subscribe button and links to related videos.